Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out a travel-friendly internet solution, the GlocalMe UPP 4G mobile hotspot with 60 gigabytes US data and 12 gigabytes global data. If you want reliable Wi-Fi while on the go without dealing with SIM cards or contracts, this pocket hotspot is built for travelers, remote workers, and globetrotters. One of the biggest benefits is that the UPP works in 200+ countries and regions thanks to its patented cloud SIM technology. Instead of a physical SIM card, it automatically connects to the best local network wherever you are, giving you secure internet without roaming fees or long-term contracts. This model comes with a preloaded data bundle, 60 gigabytes of US data plus 12 gigabytes of global data, so you can start using it right away while traveling through the United States and abroad. That makes it great for video calls, streaming, browsing, and work on the go without needing to buy local SIM cards. You can connect up to 8 devices simultaneously, so your phone, laptop, tablet, or even your travel partner's gadgets can all share fast Wi-Fi at the same time. That means easier sharing of your hotspot with family, friends, or colleagues while you're away. The hotspot is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry in a pocket or bag, making it ideal for travel, business trips, vacations, or outdoor work where stable internet can be hard to find. Setup is simple. Just power the device on, connect your Wi-Fi devices, and you're online without the hassle of local SIM cards or long contracts. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.